Welcome to Minster Newsround. In this edition, we will be talking about
the value of the month,
World Book Day,
Anglo Saxons,
sports,
and science.
This month we had a value called honesty.
Honesty is telling the full truth and being kind to others, even if you've done the wrong thing.
It's the opposite of dishonest. So tell the truth. And we also won a badge over here. So be honest and
tell the full truth.
On Thursday, 5th of March 2026, we'll be hosting World Book Day.
It's not just for the UK, it's for the whole entire world.
Using this book token, you can get one of these books.
The categories for the books are beginner readers, early readers, and fluent readers. So do remember, this £1, this voucher is worth £1, and you could buy a book but it's worth £1.
Or it can go towards any book.
On World Book Day, you can dress up as your favourite character from your favourite book.
Or if you don't have a costume ready, just bring an item or the book.
Personally, my favourite book, I would say Demon Slayer. It's about two siblings when they set on a. It's about this boy called Tanjiro when his sister turns into a demon, and then they start a dangerous journey on trying to turn her back into human.
My favourite book is Escape Room. It's about a girl called Amy who goes to an escape place to try and find the answer with 4 other people. They try and save the world together.
Today, Grebes did the class worship themed on the Anglo Saxons. The Anglo Saxons shaped a culture, country, and language. But many people lost their homes of a big war. After that, many people started to believe Odin and Thor. They believed both of them were really wise. In conclusion, the Anglo-Saxons conquered and shaped England.
Now for sports news.
In girls' football, our team beat Aerodrome 1-0.
Yay! For netball, Minster are now champions of Croydon. Yay!
Next, bowling news.
On Monday, 2nd of March, a selection of children took part in a 10-pin bowling tournament at Valley Park, Croydon. Against some tough competition, we managed to come 4th place out of 12 teams. We won our prize on the day. It was a lot of fun.
Well, that's all we have time for today.
Thank you for joining us.
We hope you enjoyed our news round.
We'll see you again next time.
For more news and fun facts.
Bye for now.
Bye.